Chapter 13, Sloka 3. Tatshetram yachaya drikcha. Tatshetram yachaya drikcha. Tatshetram yachaya drikcha. Yadvikari yataschayate. Yadvikari yataschayate. Yadvikari yataschayate. Tatshetram yachaya drikcha. Yadvikari yataschayate. तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् च यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् 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 स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु तत्समासेन मे शृणु तत्समासेन मे शृणु स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च 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 तत्समासेन मे शृणु तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् च यद्विकारी यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.